Hello YouTube, how's everyone out there doing? This is me, Sam, right here, and today we got a vlog for you, so I got a wonderful vlog for you. Today, we're going to go on over to McDonald's, and I am going to show you basically the benefits of how someone with low vision can benefit from using the kiosk at McDonald's, and I'm also going to demonstrate this for you. I would like to keep in mind here that I did record with my phone. Once again, I did not orientate the phone properly, so it's not a landscape. It's going to be this portrait-looking thing with the black bars on the side, so sorry about that. I apologize for that, guys, but yeah, that's just the natural way of holding my phone, you know, so you're going to have these black bars here. But it's okay. It's still legible enough. And we're going to get this done, and I'm going to show you. So, basically, I'm going to explain real quick, so before I get into it. Otherwise, I can really talk a lot. So we know we go into restaurants and we have those overhead menus that are just like over the counter. You know what I'm talking about? So, yeah. So people with low vision or partially blind or whatever usually have a hard time reading those menus. Now, a lot of times what I've had to do in the past when I go to McDonald's is usually you had to use this. This is a monocular, and it allows me to basically just kind of focus in on things that are far away. You know what I mean? You know, focus like that. So that's what I've had to do in the past, and that's what I still have to do with some restaurants. But when it comes to McDonald's, the monocular is a thing of the past. That's right, because these new digital kiosks that McDonald's have are wonderful, and they're very wonderful for people with visual impairment. So you'll see in a little bit. So you have magnifiers, so sometimes you have to use this to read paper menus, or at least I do. And if your vision is any worse than my vision, if your vision is any worse than what I can see, or if you really can't see at all, this doesn't work for you, then the next step would be Braille. Braille menus are pretty hard to find. Another great benefit, another easy way for people with visual impairment to order at McDonald's is basically just knowing what you want ahead of time before you enter the restaurant. You just walk up to the cashier and you just tell her what you want. Okay, I want the Big Mac meal. I want the McDouble or something like that. But sometimes if you're undecided and you want to just look through the menu and say like, okay, what do I want? You know what I mean? So this is where the kiosk can come in really handy. So I'm going to stop talking now. Let's go to McDonald's and let's show you how this is done. So we're here inside, and this is the kiosk. It's right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place an order. We're going to get the $3 burger. So first and foremost, you touch right here. Get your order going. Okay. So now here's what we're looking for. Accessibility. So right here, we come on down here. We have those little icons right there. They have wheelchair and accessibility. So we want magnifier. Okay. So we got that going. No thanks.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You know that I always help you.
I know
Okay.
you do. Yeah.
All right.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah. See, that's the thing is that they always want to help me when I come in, but you know, it's very thoughtful. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to eat in, but watch what happens when I do. Okay. Wait a minute. So I messed up. This is what I do. Okay, so now what you do is please select, so we're going to go to done. We want magnifier, so like that.
You got it, sir?
I got it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Okay, so we'll hit close right there. Okay, and we're going to hit done. So we're going to hit done. Okay, you got that? Okay, so there we go. Now we're going to go to eat in, because I'm going to eat in. So as you can see right there, so here's the magic. That's too small, I can't see that, but watch this. So in this scene, I am now looking through the menu choices. I am navigating the kiosk with the magnifying glass that is built in. That's what I want. Okay. Now, I want to look for... I might need some help here, because I want to look for the McChicken. But anyway, so you have all day breakfast, cafes, $3 bundles. Okay, let's try that one. So we're going in there, and let's see which one do we want. So once again, so I scroll around like this. You see that? Okay, and I want a $3 bundle. So you small fries, Double cheeseburger. Okay, well, I want the McChicken. Hot and spicy McChicken right there. That's what I want. Okay. So we got one. Okay, and we will, let's see. Okay, so what does it say? So, okay, hot and spicy McChicken. I am not going to customize it. Okay, so quantity 1. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here, and that's add to order. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to go back, let's see, into the $3 bundles. It's right there again, one more time. And I want the small fry. That's what I want right there. So that's what I want right there. Is that the small fry? Small fry. I want that. Okay. So okay, so we got that. And let's see what we got here. Choose your size. Okay, we want the small fry because I want the $3 bundle. Okay, so we got that. And that verifies a small fry. That's $1.49. Okay, so we're gonna go add to order down here. There you go, just like that. Okay, so I got that. Okay, so let's say $1, $2, $3 menu. Okay, so that's it. And now, okay, so now we're gonna go to beverages. Okay, so let's see, what beverages do I want? Okay. Okay, so they have a self-serve fountain, so I don't know what the deal is. So we're gonna go with tea. Okay. And then we're gonna go with a, let's go with a medium tea, right there. Okay. That's a medium sweet tea right there. That's $1. So it's the $3, but it's going to be a little more because of the beverage. So, okay, we got that. We're going to add that to our order. Okay. And we're done. So once again, I'm going to hit the magnify. See, when you hit the magnify and you leave your finger on the screen, you can magnify. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to done because I'm done. Okay. And now I'm going to verify my order. So here I am. See. Okay, so I have a hot and spicy McChicken, yes, and a small fry, yes, and a beverage. So all that. So my total is $4.33. So that's good. So I want that. We're going to proceed to checkout. There you go. That's how you do it. All right. I am now sitting down and enjoying my meal. Order. Make the order, sit down, and enjoy. Yeah. All right, everybody. So there it is. Now, the only one step that I did not show was when you finalize your order. Yeah, the next step is to select. Well, you do select whether if you're going to pay at the counter or pay with your debit card. So what I did was I opted to pay with a debit card right then and there. So the next thing you'll do is you'll go to the terminal down below, and you might need some help with that because those terminals are very difficult to read, at least for people with low vision, visual impairment. Those credit card terminals down there, you know what I'm talking about? At least I think you do. They're very difficult because the print is very small. So I know sometimes, usually what I'll do is I'll get some help with that, because they always want to help me. Or I always have this handy. This is where the magnifying glass will come in handy if you have low vision. Now, if you are completely blind, well, you can use the kiosk, but you will need help. Also, I want to mention on the lower right-hand side of the kiosk, there's a help button. So if you're coming in, you know, someone who's completely blind, just feel below the screen, kind of like below, there's a little round circle. There's a little round circle, and that's a help button. But you might not need that because a lot of times, usually, depending on what your local McDonald's is like, there's usually always someone standing there willing to help anybody. And even if you're not visually impaired, they're just willing to help you, at least at my local McDonald's. And they see me coming with my cane, so they always want to help me. They want to take my food to the table and So I want to give them a shout out. Now I really want to thank them for that. I want to thank them for being so helpful because they always are. Every time I go in there. All right, guys. So yeah, I did not show that last step of making the transaction with the card because, well, there's a little bit of privacy there. You know what I mean? Financial privacy. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you have a chip card, you would just insert it into the slot. And like I say, if you're low vision, you would just use your magnifier.
All right, folks. So
If
I
you
forgot to
can't
mention,
see anything at all,
I made a
you're
mistake.
severely blind,
at least on my
completely
McDonald's
blind, or you're
kiosk,
just light perception.
the help button
Probably
is on the
means
lower
if you
left
don't have
hand
a
of the
magnifier
terminal.
with you, you might also
On
need
some
help.
kiosks, it
Or
might
if
be on the
you can get
lower
down
right,
close enough
but
to see like that.
Don't forget to
Anyway,
check
guys,
the
I hope
lower
this
left
video is
hand as well.
informative.
Thank you.
And I hope y'all like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, like, and yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching. And give me some comments below. Let me know, whether if you have low vision or not. Let me know what your experiences are with the kiosk at McDonald's. I know I've run into some people where they say they hate it. They don't like it. And mostly a lot of senior citizens don't like it. They're just accustomed to going to the counter, which is okay. You can. So, hopefully McDonald's keeps cashiers and that hopefully the kiosk doesn't phase out the cashier because that would not be a good thing because a lot of people don't like to do that. But anyway, I'm just showing you all the benefits of using the kiosk if you have low vision. All right, guys. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all take care and adios. Peace.